All right, friends, I have my ingredients here for my 3-ingredient butter cookie recipe. We're going to start off with 1 cup of margarine or butter. I have went ahead and just kind of cut these into smaller pieces. This is at room temperature, so it's pretty soft, so we're going to whip this up in just a second. So I'm going to throw that into a bowl. And then I'm going to add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to blend this. All right, now this is some pretty thick stuff. Now this is the first time I'm trying this recipe, and I'll link it in the description box. This looks very thick. Let me get my spatula. Oh boy, because we still haven't added the flour. Goodness. And this is the measurement. All right. Well, I guess we're going to add the flour anyway. So let's just keep it going. I'm not going to clean this off to add flour. So we're going to add, surprisingly, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. This should be interesting. So add some vanilla extract. That's not called for in here, but I'm going to see if I can loosen this up some. This is the first time I'm trying this too, guys. Now I'm going to slowly add in just a little bit of time. This is calling for 2 cups of flour, which we'll see. I just have a feeling this is going to be too thick. It's going to be like biscuit consistency. But I did see someone say in a comment that they tried it this way too, and it was so thick, like biscuits or something. So we'll see what we can do here. I hope they're good. All right, let's do this. I don't know, y'all. This is just 1 cup that I'm adding in. Okay, let's see. Let's throw some more in here. I cannot believe this. And by the way, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know if these measurements are off some or what. I'm going to add some vanilla. Just going to add a little bit, just like a capful, just to see if I can break some of this up. I didn't have this open. Okay. I don't think this is going to help much. That is so thick, huh? Do y'all see this? Now this is what we're looking like. I have my spatula here and trying to smooth it out. And it is. I'm trying to mine is just, it looks a little different from the video. I kind of scraped the bowl as much as I could. So what I've done is I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have lined this cookie sheet with parchment paper. So I'm just going to take my cookie scoop here, and I'm going to use that and see if this will kind of, let's see. I'm just going to do some test ones here. Hopefully this stays together. Yeah, it did. I'm just going to kind of push it down a little bit. What is Layla doing back here? We're just going to test these out, okay? And I'll do the others after a while. Can you see this? This back. Layla doesn't like Amazon coming here to deliver anything. Mailman. Weed man, she likes no one, okay? So sorry about that disturbance. Okay, I'm trying to put this here. I'm gonna kind of smash it some. I really don't have to. Hopefully these cook well. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was. It just looked really crumbly at first, but these look okay. So we're gonna try these and see how they turn out. You can't go wrong with a 3-ingredient cookie. And most of these ingredients are always here. In our house anyway. And one more. All right, my friends. We're gonna see how these turn out. So this is the consistency. These may actually turn out pretty good. So I'm going to place these in the oven. The video didn't say how long, so I'm just going to watch these until they become golden brown. But I will let you know the time that I leave this first batch in. All right, we'll be right back. Here is my first batch. So you can see they're a little brown on the edges. This is what they're looking like out of the oven. So I allowed these to stay in for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want them a little browner, they probably could have stayed in up to 15 minutes. Just depends on your oven. But I've already lined my other cookie sheet here with the remainder of the dough. And we're going to place these in. And then I'll do a taste test once the others cool. All right, guys, it has been about 13 minutes, and this is my second batch here. They do smell good, I'll say that. Hey guys, here are my pretty cookies. Don't these look pretty? So that's my little presentation here. My husband came in and tried one, and he had to run back out because I was hoping to capture that on camera. But I set aside one cookie here for me to taste. So let's see what we think. All right, guys, I have my cookie here. Let's try it. It's good. It seems like it's missing sugar though. And I was questioning the amount of sugar I added in, but I double checked the recipe and that's what it said, 2/3 cup of powdered sugar. They're okay. My husband said he's going to add peanut butter to his. He does that to just about anything, but they're okay. I'm glad I tried them. But next time when I film this, which will be soon, I'm going to add sugar. I'm going to add more sugar. It needs something, but they're good. They're decent, you know. Let me know if you try this and what you think. But yeah, just try it. That's all we were doing today.